Hello guys, we stand for World Education Service. It is a company that's something called an ECA, which means Education Credential Assessment. An ECA needed by anyone who studies outside Canada and want to use that education to qualify for a Canadian immigration program. The reason Canadians ask for an ECA from companies like WES, there are other companies too, but WES just most popular is to check your education from another countries is equal to Canadian education. For example, Canada wants to know if your 4-year degree is equal to 4-year Canadian degree or if it is only 3-year diploma or certificate in Canada. This is why an ECA is important. It helps Canada to confirm that your education match their standard and can be accepted for immigration. Thank you.